Okay, this is how to set the temperature on this style device. You hold set and down. The first step is to make sure if you want to change this between Celsius and Fahrenheit, you do so before setting your limits, because it will automatically switch if you change that. Once you have that dialed in, this one is Fahrenheit, you can go back to this HY setting. This is your compressor setting, or how much it's allowed to fluctuate. I suggest leaving this between 4 and 5. It'll just make your temperature stay tighter. The LS, or low setting, keep that at least 36 degrees Fahrenheit. And the high setting, or upper setting, US, we want to dial down to about 44. This should keep your device well within parameters to not go outside of range. To complete, just sit tight, let this screen come off.